Hi, Jamie Davis here from the Nursing Show here at the ANIA 2016 conference in San Francisco. I'm here with Kim Harrison, who is visiting the country from Canada, so welcome.
Thank you very much.
And is also a nurse here and a poster presenter, so we're going to talk a little bit about what she's presenting on. But first, Kim, I always ask our nurse guests on the show, tell us a little bit about why you wanted to become a nurse.
I wanted to be a nurse because I wanted to help and to provide patient care, and just wanted to be the one that is right at the bedside helping out the families with their loved ones.
So what is it about health IT and informatics that drew you in that direction?
I've always loved technology, love a challenge, and I love buying gadgets. I can hang out at Best Buy and I just love buying things at Best Buy.
You sound like my camera guys. They've been playing with gadgets all morning. So tell me a little bit about your poster presentation. You said it's not exactly research, it's more about observations you've made, but sometimes I think those are some of the best things because sometimes we don't step back and make those observations.
When I took my master's in education, it was in distance education, so it's using technology and trying to do things that way. And so I always told my students to embrace technology, and so it's very simple things that this class taught me about, and it's teaching students and engaging students in any kind of an environment, if it's online or in the classroom, it doesn't matter where, but it's doing very simple things like giving them pre-notes so that they're ready for class, or engaging them. And one of the things that I do is I dress up really funny and I come into class and I teach them and show them how they should look at their patients, and maybe they're using a cane or their gait is funny, or just something to make them look at the patient. It's very simple things that we sometimes take for granted as teachers, and not teaching to them for 3 hours straight. They can't keep their attention that long. So just little things like that, and that's what I brought to this conference for all of us as educators and nurses.
That's awesome, and I really like that because it really is about almost mixed media. It's about changing the way we present ideas and concepts to people so that they do really internalize it and learn it. And you can do that as simple as changing your outfit or giving them notes ahead of time so they know what you're going to be talking about. All those things really make a big difference. What was the biggest thing that really stood out to you? Was there some concept or something that you learned that you weren't prepared for, or that caught you by surprise?
You mean here at the conference?
Well, here at the conference, or when you were doing your observations?
Just from my own research and things that I've done, there's so many things. I can't even think of any one thing, but I'm really learning a lot here at the conference, and I'm so glad that I came, and I can't wait to take everything back and tell my students everything that I learned, and to show my colleagues, wow, it's an amazing conference to come to, and maybe we can come back next year, and I can't wait to show them everything that I've learned so far.
I know it's important to think about. I mean, why is it that nurses, whatever their specialty, need to make sure that they're getting out to their specialty conferences like this? I mean, what are some of the things that you think make it so important that they don't take advantage of?
I'm not quite sure why we don't always come to different conferences. I just think sometimes we just don't know what's out there. There's so many conferences that are going on, and sometimes we just don't see everything. Sometimes it's harder to find, and we just don't know what's there.
Well, hopefully we'll see you at ANIA 2017, which I believe is in New Orleans next year.
Yes.
So hopefully we'll see you there.
I hope so. Here comes the next project, I think.
Excellent. And I want to thank all of you for checking out this segment here from ANIA 2016 in San Francisco. I'm Jamie Davis from the Nursing Show. Remember, all of these videos are going to be available for you over at ania.org and also at nursingshow.com.